Welcome to Try Trying Harder. I'm Guido and today I'm going to give you a little review of this Lenovo Idea Tab 11-inch TB336FU. But first, I need to thank Best Buy and Lenovo for giving me this product to review. With that out of the way, I unboxed this a little while ago and went on a long road trip with it. I've been using it around the house and on some smaller trips, so I've gotten some pretty good mileage on it. I'm going to start off by giving you a closer look with the specs on this little tablet that could, followed by my opinion on how it did. Check it out.
This Lenovo Idea Tab has an 11-inch 2.5K LCD IPS 90Hz display that gets up to 500 nits. It's 6.54 inches tall, 10.02 inches wide, and 0.28 inches thick. That comes in at only 16 ounces. There's a 5-megapixel front-facing camera that has facial recognition, Luna Gray, and powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, 4GB of RAM, 128GB storage with microSD expansion, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB-C 2.0 with up to 14 hours of battery life. It has a back-facing camera that's 8 megapixels. Top all of this off with quad Dolby Atmos speakers for clear, immersive sound.
Well, there you have it. This is a great budget buy tablet. It's fast and smooth, running apps. I've mostly used Samsung devices, but this Lenovo was similar enough and still an Android device. It's light and thin, making it great for extended holding. It was bright and crisp, streaming movies. The sound was alright, but with the Dolby Atmos, I expected a little bit more lower end. I played some mobile games on it, and the performance was fast and smooth. I wasn't able to try a keyboard out on it, but there's potential for light PC work. The battery lasted through hours of streaming. Being so thin and smooth, I think a case is a must. But it was kind of hard for me to find a case I liked. So far the screen is fine, but I got little scratches on the back just from setting it down around the house. I would recommend this for anyone needing a budget tablet for entertainment and everyday tasks. I think it has the ability to do a little bit more, but I wouldn't buy it relying on that. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think of this little tablet? What questions do you have? Throw them down in the comments. And Lenovo, when it comes to providing options and availability of accessories for your products, try trying harder.